If you want to do a beautiful sunflower with clay like this, just come and follow me. What will you need? We are doing a plate that has a sunflower, but right now it looks like a tortilla. Now it's starting to look like a sunflower. See? Petals. Only this is like a tortilla. These are the leftovers, but this is how it looks now. Now we're gonna add the texture. Now inside of the holes we're doing, I'm putting some little spots. Now we're doing the texture to the petals, as you can see here. Now our sunflower is ready, as you can see here. Now we're gonna let it dry. For then we're going to paint it. Now we're going to paint the sunflower, and here's the middle with a pine, and here are the petals. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to visit my webpage. Bye!